Hey guys, welcome back. So, don't mind me, but we're back with another video. Today, we're putting some clip-ins. I got these clip-ins from Betterlength hair. This is the Kinky coarse texture, and they're in 20 inches, but I actually bleached like two of the pieces because I used to have color in my hair, but now I don't, and I'm craving it. So, why not bleach the clip-ins this time and not my real hair, right? So that's what I did, and we're just gonna install the clip-ins. I'm just brushing my hair out. I'm just so over my hair right now, but let's move on. So you don't really need anything to put clip-ins in. I'm using my fingers. You can use a comb if you're trying to be precise, but honestly, nobody's gonna see all our crooked parts, okay? So we're finger parting, and the sets, I think all the sets come with 10 pieces. So honestly, you just pick the pieces that fit where you want them to go, and I'm starting at the back bottom near the nape. So we just got to find the right piece, and there's like two of each. So there's like two really small two clip, two a little bigger two clip. There's two like 3 clip pieces, two 4 clip pieces, and two 5 clip pieces. And then the pieces that I bleached, I believe these were like the 3 clip pieces. So we're honestly just gonna customize this whole little install. So yeah, I'm just starting in the back. Honestly, every time I put clip-ins in, they're different. Like, I never put them in the exact same way. They're never placed the same. Like, it's gonna be different every time, but the end result is always gonna be the same. It's always gonna be bomb. So I'm like quickly straightening the pieces before I put them in. You can get these pieces really straight if you take your time, if you do the chase method as well. So I'll probably go back in and straighten these just a little bit better because I might want a sleek look one day. But yeah, just know I've had these clip-ins before, and they do get as straight as you want them to get. So that's all we're doing. I'm gonna not talk anymore because And another thing, if the pieces don't fit where you want them to go, you can cut them. Don't be afraid to cut them. I cut mine all the time. They do come with like extra clips and some thread. So if you needed to like cut them, readjust like the clips or whatever, you have that option. Don't mind me, y'all. The steam about burnt me. So yeah. But anyways, so yeah, I cut a couple pieces just so I can put them where I want them, you know. So I did one chunk of highlight here, there, wherever. So yeah, don't be afraid to cut them, y'all. You can do whatever you want with these. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I added all the clips that I needed. You guys, I didn't even use the whole set. So you definitely, like, one set is enough for a full head. I have like three or two or three, probably three pieces left that I didn't use. The hair is really full, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just getting my parting correct. I'm just gonna throw in some big curls because I want like a blowout kind of look. So that's all I'm gonna do to style my hair. Looks so good, right? So cute. Like you would think these are like tape-ins or something, but no, baby, it's clip-ins. So yeah, I'm just playing with it to see if it's how I like it. And then here I am curling the hair. I'm just doing really loose curls with my flat iron. So yeah. So I could really stand here and do this like the rest of the video, but I'm not gonna bore y'all. I just really like my hair, so that's all it is. You know, when you like your hair, you do like a bunch of side poses, back poses, like you just see what your hair looks like from every angle. And I am loving the color, the pops of color. I'm kind of conflicted. I don't know if I want to bleach them like one more time just to get them a little lighter, or if I'm satisfied with like this kind of brownie color. But yeah, here's what they look like in a ponytail, a little half up, half down action, you guys. I'm loving it. And these are 20 inches and they hit me like at the bottom of my back. So they're nice, a nice length, and they're full. Like, look at my ponytail. You can't see my hair sticking out or anything. Okay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a link for Betterlength in the description box for you guys, as well as a coupon code so you can get a little money off. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.